Dominique, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be getting lunch and we are also going to be going to Madeira Beach. Alright, join me. Okay, so right now I'm walking to Sweet Brunettes, hopefully to get some breakfast if they still have some, or just lunch I guess, and a coffee. And I'm gonna try to do some homework for a sec in the AC, and then after that, the beach. Gonna do some work for a little bit. My Teddy Graham iced latte size C. The size for reference. Alright, first sip of the latte. Called Diane Teddy Graham. Tastes like a graham cracker. A bit of espresso. Alright, so I finished my work for the morning, for now, and now we're off to the beach. Let's go! To Madeira Beach. The sun is kind of peeking out, but it's still pretty cloudy. The water looks beautiful, the sand looks beautiful. I think I'm gonna go in for a swim. If you like this video, don't forget to like and